closest friend to me. On the road of life, see no blessing. Your mercy, you'll always be my father, my friend, my God, my guide. Forever you will be, and I will walk by your side. My father, my friend, my God, my guide. My love for you, I never hide. You are my God, the only one I ever had. You prove your love for me.
Yeah, man, select that tune there.
You are my guide. My praises are given to thee. You're my father, my friend, my God, my guide. Forever you will be, and I will sit by your side. My father, my friend, my God, my guide. My love for you I never hide. Oh my God, oh my God. Good Lord. Yeah, man.
Select that tune, yeah.
Good Lord, you have answered my prayer. Almost strange.
Select that tune, yeah.
Misery. You have lifted me up, oh, and put me higher from all stage and misery. And born again.
How that? I didn't select China people,
For the old man who knows right from wrong. The man who knows the truth.
Yeah, man, a DJ Junior. 876.
Yeah, my brethren. I never hold for chosen since evening, but remember I tell you this. It says soon to come.
Ready.
We're going to bring a little sound come up there, come stand up beside you. And I'm not clash thing, but just going to play a tune for tune. Yeah. Under the heart of love, my bro. See? Because you go on with yourself all evening, you know. And everybody jiggle up themselves and dance. But I'm going to put myself around it one evening and I'm going to see what I go on. See? I promise you that. Steve tell you already, you know, so we're going to come and come in. Then here I say my family. See? I want to pick up my cousin Steve. I heard strong tonight. See? And trust me, you never ever want to do it and I'm going to change up the thing and thing. I'm going to say, yo family, I heard strong. We're going to drink some liquor while I do a little thing and thing. See? I bring up wife with me and my cousin Carly, big up yourself. Big up your status and your pretty self over there, my darling. Cousin Clive and Lily and everybody. Then Louis, everybody. All of the family them. See? We're there. And your bang, my brethren. I love the tune, but remember I tell you, so we'll come over and do the thing. Steve, enough love for your heart from my blood. See?
King good man. Art I love you. Everything. Art I love.
Linda will not forget you, my blood.
That time, one family, one man. Art I love. Steve. Angry Bango. So, there's a government so we can't go to more something. They will like you have to, right? Big up yourself, Junior, because you don't know, you know. You see, myself, big up yourself, my boss. I'm like, when you come and deal with it. Jesus! Give it up, princess. Interest.
To
Every day, I come down.
Walking down the road with you at your waist, trying to learn. Walking down the road with you, trying to learn.
More life.
More life. Super Glenn, big up. Mado! Now I left me out 1 inch. Big up yourself, youth. You don't know what they're on the ground, you know? Big up yourself, and you don't know it's all about earth strong settings and things, you know? Big up your sister or some nephew. Big up yourself. Flower! Be a dumpling in the bar for you so that get to school, you know? We don't want to write. Be a dumpling, that's why I get the name dumpling. Big up yourself, Flower. I don't know. Jimmy? Don't know youth. JB, Old Entourage, Philip, Phelps, Brento, the bad chef, can't let him out. Wickedest thing boy, him alone. So I say, Anglia Bango, you Brento. Winner! Winner!
Take time with me
All work, combo.
I'm building a big up the April people, especially Steve, and make it possible. Let's see, my brother. I one love, brother. And I'm today. Big up all the April family in the building. Take life and the whole work. So we know ourselves. We don't have to know the thing. You see me? Steve, happy birthday, my friend. 1 more year pending. Love always, brother. Respect.
Yeah, man, you don't know, Earth Strong thing, last Friday was right and thing and what if we? You don't know.
Run it again, is it? Goal.
The Lord is our shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He restoreth my soul. Dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes the lovers know you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry. happy, sometimes sad. Sometimes the lovers know you're right. We children love you well. You're the only one way to go in the times that ebb and flow. Let the way walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I will fear no evil, 'cause Jah is with me. Wherever my star may comfort me. Splashing, dashing, restless sea, never still you seem to be.
Some boy I look same. I talk about them wild and can't tame. I shut down people from the main and know in family. Stop call up them name. Boy I talk about them no response and a broad and them a big up 6 pants. I shut down people now in family. Spot them out from a distance and then pick up big line sentence. Sprout against them on the edge again. Yeah. That's why me tell them say take me advice me brethren. Caroon boy living on a front.
Could be the next prime minister. I said to watch what you say to me, don't take us in the long run. She could be your doctor. Only for mention that to me sundown. I mean I wanna lick you every time I go man. Still you never listen. You never
Next power for come out with it.
over my soul. Sleep over my soul. Oh, God, Jesus, for and ten. Jah, will sleep over my soul. Every day, every moment, I will sing a song of praise to Him. Hail the King of Kings.
Babylon and so from near and far. Don't even ask them what them peeping for. Tell them can't hold the youth in no more house and jar. You Ethiopia or Addis Ababa. Babylon and so from near and far. Don't even ask them what them searching for. Tell them can't hold the youth in no more house and jar. Give me Ethiopia, young I feel black star. Babylon and listen to the Christ new plan. Dangerous sitting with there so too long. Blackness reason so I rise. Black man, black woman, Peter listen. Ethiopia, them think the fire did missing come way on Babylon. Dedicated to Britain and United Nations. But look what I got for repatriation. Wanna free up every prisoner a revolution. Sizzle the authority higher than your police and your soldiers. Stop your molestation. Babylon and listen from afar. Don't even ask them what them listening. Just like in the holidays, jump on the bed and never let it fall away. Listen to what I got to say. Praise the King every day. Go back, we go bash them down. Now lose all them marines on your house. Some them blacks will have to move. Bash them down. Now lose. Deal with them rocks because of who them come and prove me and mash them down. Now lose all them marines on your house. Some them blacks will have to move. Some people mash them down. Farmer from the border, stop the people them from starving down. Jaido cities rather than it is stuff. Hard paid and me know them must let the down. But I just want to make them shut off. Don't let me go mash them down. Now lose all the marines on your house. Some them black will have to move and we go mash them down. Now lose, find out. Say that drop them approve. Wicked people we have to mash them down. It's coming from a distance. Take these words of divine to the princess right away. Tell her to be fine. I don't want her to see. You're not first up. Hey, King Celestial. Forward family of right. Press around fight. Take this to our gates with love before the falling of the night. These words of divine.
man after money. The both of them still be money. Just hold on. And there's nothing.
I mean, you know, the final thing, because the earth and thing, you know. Don't know. Not a little junior every day and thing, which is a man goes
I'm a married man, you're married with myself.
Is it Jonah 80?
Giving you nice things.
watch it. When I know so I put that you down, so I wanna powder. When I better respect the dead and entertainer. When I know so I put that you down, so I wanna powder. All of the foundation said respect for some little entertainer. What is the matter with them? Them do a band song which is beat up a top 10. Nothing no I can fleet the flight to post a lot of them face a rule. I been not even for them best friend and them no old. Them original corner again. Lyrics the solution fit the whole of them. If they want like them want disrespect, let them cool. You right on the road. You right on the foundation of the music. For all of that fathers who set it. You know you have some little people that don't respect. It's a matter for them to show hard and make for the elders, but you see the elders then? You see the elders then? Tell them say, watch it. You know there's enough people that you don't know when I powder. You better respect the elder entertainer. You know there's enough people that you don't know when I powder. All of the foundation said respect for some little entertainer. What is the matter with them? Them do a one song which is built up a top 10. Nothing no I can fleet the fight the post a lot of them face a rule. And then what even for them best friend and them no old. Them original corner again. Lyrics the solution fit the whole of them. If they won't let them want this respect, let them cool. You right on the road. You are your godfather. For the foundation of the music, for all the godfathers who set it. You know you have some little people that don't risk. You see the elders then? You see the elders then? Tell them say, watch it. You don't know so the people that you know that's what I'm proud. You don't better respect the elder entertainer. You don't know so the people that you know that's what I'm proud.
Pick up
All of
yourself.
the foundation said respect for some little entertainer. What is the matter with them? Them do a one song which is the top of top 10. Nothing no I can
Original corner again.
music and them no old. Them lyrics the solution for the whole of them. If they want like them want disrespect, let them cool. You right on the road. You are a godfather of the DJ school. Cool. Giant on the road. Influential factor of the DJ school. Cool. King Stitch down the road. Easy fast stitch you well equipped with on the school. Cool. Trigger beer down the road. Jetlags educator of the DJ school. When I know so I'm back when I'm gonna slow it up hold. The only youngsters who are disrespect the elder. When I know so I'm back when I'm gonna slow it up hold. Respect the town people don't know respect. As a matter of fact, them so hard and them for the elders, but you see the elders then? You see the elders then? Tell them say, watch it. When I know so I'm back when I'm gonna slow it up hold. When I better respect the elder entertainer. When I know so I'm back when I'm gonna slow it up hold. All of the foundation said respect for some little entertainer. What is the matter with them? Them do a one song which is made up a top 10.
Late at night when all the world is sleeping, I stay up and think of you. And I should know that someday you'll love me.
Make your light on the fire one. Right now. Light up and give me a light now, man. One crazy, nothing on our man.
Wonder if you notice me. Wonder if you know.
Your mercy and your grace. Any more thing you like it, man?
Your mercy and your grace. How great and how mighty is your name, and worthy to be praised.
Legend, 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 young legend.
He said he shall never be ungrateful, and never you be ungrateful. Through Jah you will always find mercy. How so wonderful, send us your love, love, oh Jah, your mercy and your grace. Send us your love.
That's not as the youth, them are really clear, them are done. Some of them turn out to no feature, like you want your first down. Miss me now, and the promise I will keep my warm. Woman, just be the phone call. Oh, she wants to know she need him after all of the time she told. Make it alone because I don't like stuff. My girl, she said this was loneliness. She listen, she listen, and the happiness. Yes, 2 hours has been, she must confess. She never get to it because she disrespects me. But I don't know she could not love me that way. Don't disrespect what we are going on. I need the promise I can keep our warm. Who knows? That's what you're doing. That's what you pull out.